What's up, everyone? My name is Cam, and this is Kayla, and we're coming back at you from the 2-6. Welcome back to Carolina Fragrance Reviews. Kayla has agreed to come back and smell and rate 10 more fragrances, and this one is going to be a bloodbath because she went ham over all of these, and I just broke a fragrance. So today is going to be a bloodbath. Needless to say, these are fragrances that she fell completely in love with, even more so than the last lineup. So we're going to do the same thing. She's going to rate these from 1 to 10, but we have got a lot of bangers, don't we?
Too many.
Too many. So
too many.
Without any further ado,
a hard one.
I know it. Let's get into this. So luckily, this fragrance did survive a nasty spill. Let's see if she can still smell it. It is Versace Dylan Blue.
That one smells good.
Mm-hmm. Do we need to respray the tabs? We had so much fun before we started filming. These things have got like mad dry downs on them.
No, this one's good.
Good.
Okay, so they all smell really good.
Mm-hmm.
I know that. I'm gonna start lower, so I don't keep doing all this.
That's okay. If you want to rate them high, it's all good. Just be honest. What you think? Is it a 10? Is it an 8? Is it a 5? And
this one smells really good. To me, really good is a 7 and above.
Okay.
We'll just start with a 7.
A 7? And
7 could be a 10 too.
When would this scent be appropriate for you?
Everywhere.
Everywhere. So signature scent, Versace Dylan Blue. I'm not surprised by that at all. This is a very likable fragrance.
Smells really good.
Next fragrance is one of 2 from Yves Saint Laurent. This one is L'Homme ULTIME.
This one smells good too.
And what's ironic is she sprayed this on herself early and she let me smell it on her hand. It smelled 100% different on a woman, so. You caught it. Good catch.
I love that. I like it. It's like the other one, not like the same smell, but the same
in the same wheelhouse
level.
So you're gonna rate that one higher or hold it at the same?
Hold it at the same.
Yeah. Okay. So.
Just as good.
All right. So where we have this now? 7.
7.
Okay. So we got 2 7s. So
and that could be me and a 10 too, because I like all of them.
This, yeah, we are definitely like
the best one.
We're pulling it like hen's teeth with these because she went ham over every single one of these. So this is a very difficult lineup, correct?
Yes.
All right, the next one is Mont Blanc Legend Spirit.
This smells good too. This is a little bit stronger than those two, but smells similar to this one a little bit more.
Yeah, these are all going to be freshy, you know, in the same wheelhouse as like a blue fragrance. Fresh, mass appealing. A lot of people have compared this to Invictus Aqua or Invictus from Pacarabon. So what you feeling? And you sit on them other ones, huh?
I'll say a little bit higher. 7.5.
7.5 from Mont Blanc Legend Spirit. So as far as price goes, this is going to be cheaper than the first 2 and it got a higher scoring, so just keep that in mind and look at that beautiful face. So the next fragrance is actually a fragrance that I bought off a recommendation from my buddy Ash over at GenSense. This one is called Green Lover from Lolita LEMPICKA. Or LEMPICKA. Or LEMPICKA.
Now this is different than the 3 of those. The ones before.
Yeah, this is more of a green fragrance where these are Well, green still goes fresh, but it does take a green vibe. So, I mean,
No.
these don't go green. These are more of like
Blue.
yeah. There you go. See, she's learning. She's sharp. You're gonna poke that thing up your nose.
Now that smells good too.
Mm-hmm.
I lean towards the blue more though.
Mm-hmm. More blue than green?
Yeah. But I like it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep it at the same at 6.5.
6.5. So we're going a little bit lower then.
A little bit lower.
Alright, so
It ain't my most favorite out of all these.
but keep in mind that
It smells really good. Still.
exactly. Out of our prior lineup, these were the ones that she liked even more. So that, like, if we're comparing to the other ones, we're like pulling hen's teeth on these.
I like this probably for summertime.
Yeah, this is definitely like, if you guys want to check this out, you definitely should. It is a total and complete banger for spring and summer. I probably would have never known about it, but you know how Ash is. He's pulling out those cheapy bangers, and this smells really, really good. So if you paid attention recently, I did a lot of these sensual blends from AZZARO, or at least 3 of them. This one is Ginger Lover. This is the one that she liked the most out of the 3 that I own. But, like, again, it was tough pulling these.
Now I love this one too.
Mm-hmm. Citrus and ginger.
I gotta go back to the before
Before and afters.
And these two.
Mm-hmm.
That's fun. I really like this one. I might go up a little bit. So 8.5.
8.5 for AZZARO Ginger Lover. So, any of you having any doubts about this $30 gem, keep that in mind. 8.5.
That's the highest.
So far, now we're getting into the danger zone.
Yeah.
We're getting into some that she really went ham over. So this should get very interesting.
They're all very close.
Alright, so the next fragrance is going to be Abercrombie and Fitch Fierce Reserve. Nobody has really talked about this fragrance, so let's just see if it's worth continuing to talk about, at least on this channel.
I really like this one too. Now this is good too. Now, very similar to this one too.
That one has a whiskey accord. This one has some ginger.
Oh, so close.
I mean, we can break it down if we need to, but we're keeping in mind what we have coming ahead.
Oh my gosh. Because they're the same, I'll keep it at 8.5.
8.5. 8.5-ish.
At both.
Alright. Alright, so we got 8.5 for the last 2, and we have...
A little bit different, but they kind of...
Yeah, I mean, same type of feel.
Yeah.
You know, they're both fresh, they're both sexy, but now we're going to get into a few blue fragrances. The first one is going to be the 2020 release. This one is Giorgio Armani ACQUA di Gio Profondo. Let's see how much fun this one is.
No, I like this one too. I'm gonna put that one a little bit below them.
You did this one wasn't as good as the other 2 then, huh?
Yeah, but it's still really great.
Yeah, it is. And as I've said about this fragrance, when you really went ham is when I first sprayed it, and that's something that I've mentioned from day one. The opening on this fragrance is dynamite. If they were able to suspend that and just hold it, it'd be a wrap.
Yeah.
But the dry down is still good, but fall is just a little bit short, just kind of like premature ejaculation. All right, the next fragrance is Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Intense. Or
I have the
Intense.
girls' fragrance in this, and I do like the girls.
And it does smell amazing on women.
I love this too, but it's not like the girl fragrance.
No, it's not. It's completely different. And this is a more intense version. The female version is a little bit sweeter, a little bit lighter, obviously.
Very clean.
Summer vibes.
This is more cleaner than the ones, the most light one.
Yeah, because it, like I said, this
cleaner,
one has.
this one's more.
And she's talking
strong.
about the Fierce. She keeps going back to this Fierce. So
Fierce.
this has a whiskey accord, and of course we're talking about. I think it's lime and ginger on this one. And of course, Fierce is very well known for being a very attractive fragrance.
I'm gonna do the Fierce more, so I'm gonna put an 8.
You're putting an 8 on the light blue O Intense.
Yeah, these ones are still kind of
Just falling just a little bit short. So which leaves us with 2 to go. And these were actually the most difficult for her to decide as far as like just really having a mad love affair with them. So let's see how Yves Saint Laurent Y Live scores above the rest of these.
Oh, this one smells good too.
The very first time that I bought this fragrance, I just happened to have it when I went to go see her, and she was like, "Oh, my time." So yeah. As a matter of fact, everybody, all her co-workers, they're all just kind of like gathering around and just like, "Oh my God, it's so good." And yeah.
I really love that one too. I love it a lot. I'm gonna put it like an 8.3. Like, but this, the other two that
It's still not better, right?
Still not better.
Okay, so that's
But
good.
I love it though.
So we're still hunting.
Everything's
We're
still a
hunting
10.
at 10. So we've only got one fragrance left.
10
If we
is
can't get a 10, we're gonna be pulling hen's teeth on the rest of these. So the last one is Armani Code Absolute. Drum roll, please, or maybe it'll just be like a cymbal crash if if she don't like it as much as she did before.
I do like that one still.
Yeah. Yeah, she actually went ham when I sprayed that earlier.
I do like that one too. I like these 3. Can you spray them on you?
I can. I sure
I'll spray
can.
them on you.
All right.
Okay, let's
All right. So we're gonna do a tiebreaker by spraying them on me for the skin test.
Okay.
All right. So I guess we'll just have to. We have to go on the neck. All right, we're gonna do that one on the neck.
Okay.
And
One on the forehead.
Yeah, we'll do this one on the other side of my neck, and this one is AZZARO Ginger Lover, and I just sprayed Chrome Absolute on the other side of my neck, and she wants me to spray the Fierce on my head. So, forehead. Pow! We'll let that dry down and see how that plays out.
He's gonna die.
Fan me, fan me.
Hopefully he doesn't break out. Okay.
All right.
Which one first?
All right. This one is Code Absolute.
Okay, that smells good.
It's Ginger Lover.
I like that one more than that one.
Okay, so Ginger Lover more than Code Absolute.
Yeah.
Now spray my, I mean spray. Spit on my forehead.
Okay, I choose that one.
Which was Ginger Lover.
Really?
Oh, yeah, boy. $30. $30 for Ginger Lover. I thought for sure that Code Absolute was going to do it the way that she acted, but I went back in the studio. You guys know that I recently went over these. I went back there and I said, let me go and grab that ginger.
I thought it would have been this one.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
It felt really good on your pheromones.
yeah. You want to smell again just to make 100% sure?
Okay, which one was this one again?
Okay, that one is on my forehead.
So this one I like. The least.
This one is code.
This is the least probably.
This one is ginger, and that one is fierce.
These ones are close though.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The one right here on your face.
Okay, so what did I just say?
It was this one. Ginger Lover.
Ginger Lover is the winner.
But
she's got me all like confused.
But this one smells really good.
All right, so $30, guys. Ginger Lover. Well, just slaughter the rest of these apparently. And when would you like to smell this?
Every day.
Every day, all the time.
All these are all the time.
Yeah, they're all good. So that's it. That's it. Ginger Lover caused her to love the ginger. And hey, $30. I mean, the rest of these like $60 for this, $60 for this. Same thing, just across the board. Probably the excuse me for the collapse here. Probably the cheapest one out of the lot. $30. Get that kind of reaction from this kind of lady right here. So hey, you guys need to go pick this one up apparently. So hope you guys had fun with this lineup, and make sure that you show Kayla some love down in the comments. And if you've tried a Ginger Lover or any of these other fragrances, please let us know what you think. If you agree, disagree, it really doesn't matter because she's the final say on this video. Until next time, we'll see you on Carolina Fragrance Reviews. All right. You gonna laugh?
I can't be serious.
I know it's getting harder, ain't it?
Sorry, I'm bad.
It's all good. It's okay.
It's me.
You're a bad influence on me.
Yeah. Look at our heads.
I know, right? Like,
okay, we got this.
All right, we got it. All right. You're so bad. We're good. We got this.
I just can't look at you.
All right. You want me to just put a wall right here?
Okay.
But then you'll see me over there.
Okay, I just look down a little bit.
No, you gotta look at the camera and you gotta smile and be like. What's up, everybody? It's Cam and Kayla coming in back.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, I'm not. Don't think about me.
I'll try not to. I'll try.
Okay.
Just gonna put an invisible wall